XXA favorite too. Hope you're good. It's your favorite DJ Apex, and Mangshai content buffet too. I'm not alone. I'm with the love of my life, lady, and
Hey guys.
yeah, hope you guys are good. And we got you something great today, of which is a Q&A. It's a couple Q&A, so we're gonna be asking each other a question. Baby, how I care. So yeah. I think part of my question is nigana a shutdown or the countdown type of thing. Or should we use that or see again? See again. Okay. For now, since we cancel a countdown, maybe singayenza go part 2. I'm not sure. Maybe, but if you guys want a countdown, maybe you guys can comment. Must see posted a Q&A. Yeah. So what Okay. So ladies were quick and straightforward. Yeah. So okay. My first question is what's my phone number?
Like Nisha.
Yeah. Ngaisho. Yeah.
063.
Yeah.
Oh baby. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. That's 063.
Okay, well tried, but it's well tried. Okay, at least my baby's getting somewhere, bro. Yeah, because unlike good see Angazi nicks at all, it's yeah. Okay, yeah. It's time for you. I think we're gonna share our question on one,
Yeah.
Yeah.
When is my birthday?
Okay, 26th of Feb. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. What do I like between going out, partying, and chill at home? Like eat good food. Between the two, what do I like? Maybe or okay. What do I like between going out, partying, and chill at home? Eat good food.
Chilling at home.
You know your baby. Okay.
Okay, what's my zodiac sign?
Oh my god.
Oh god.
No, please.
Yo, baby. Zodiac sign. Zodiac sign.
And you're gonna have jelly.
Isn't it? Simple. It can't be Capricorn. Isn't it Cancer? It's now more zodiac sign, man. Our hand be like accurate. It's layer February.
Okay,
It jumps into the.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Pisces.
Yes.
Nothing else yakho.
Excuse me, I forgot.
It's fine.
Okay. Third question from my side, music or content creation, or your response actually that could be both.
Both. I will say
Okay.
both. Yeah.
Nice one. Okay.
Okay, what's my favorite color according to you? My favorite color according to you?
Purple. Now the thing is, okay. Let me state my reason. I need purple. The thing is, I have purple is because we once spoke about the color purple, and we've seen it now apparently emotweni khona imoto ithanda purple. I think that's what made you love purple, and now I'm using purple.
Oh, yeah, I do love purple, but kinda like it specific.
Black.
Hey, yeah.
Black.
Wow.
Black.
Hey.
Oh, excuse but yeah, I think I need to memorize those things, guys, because yeah, it's very like I need to know a lot more about my person. Yeah, because hey, umuntu wami can be very creative sometimes. Yo, no, I'm question. Yo, okay. So what do I love most between fashion, creativity, and substance like alcohol?
I would say creativity and fashion because
Okay.
you are also like creative, like you're creative and fashion sense are calling it.
Yeah, that's so mean.
Okay, what do you love most about me?
Okay, me personally, babe, what I love most about you, your personality, your respect for everyone, not only for me but for everyone. You know, the love you give me, the encouragement. Those are the most ones that I love about you, baby. And there's still more. It's just that for this content, yeah, I think I had to state Liz's ballet, you know. Yeah. The fifth one, the last question. Pizza or burger? What do I love between the two?
Burger.
Okay. Okay, good.
Burger.
Good one. Good one. Yes, I really love burger. I really love burger. Actually, I do love both, ne? But if I get to choose between a pizza or a burger, I'd choose a burger. But if there was a pizza and any alternative, of course I was gonna go for pizza because yeah, sometimes it's hard to choose the two. But I think with the question, yeah, it's burger. And if I call it, baby, you're right. It's a burger.
Okay. Now I'm getting a question. If you could travel anywhere in the world, where could you go and why?
With you,
Yeah.
I would go to Dubai.
Why?
Infrastructure, like ngaphandle. I feel like mina nawe siyathanda explore and seeing nice buildings out there, you know. And that country is a nice country. Even like njengoba sibona ku social media, I feel like nathi siyahalela ukuba lapha sithu, you know. I like going there alone, but ukuba nawe there in that country, especially in this building, what is it called? Burj Khalifa or what? Yeah, I think it's Burj Khalifa, yeah. So like the most important thing is infrastructure because I really love nice buildings, nice view of the sunset, you know. And I know you like the sunset, so I think Masangatolagala too in those nice buildings. Yeah, I think exploring the world with you, we are in Dubai. It's a good idea.
It's weird.
Yeah, guys, that was a nice one. It was challenging and fun. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys have comments, please comment on the comment section on YouTube, as well as on social media. Sizoikata, Sifa social media. Yeah, so here's part 2, but sizobona ngani guys. Angicela nicele ku comment.
If vele nayifuna part 2.
Yep, that's right. Yeah. So this was very challenging and fun. So if nani khona amakhabula afuna ukushaya ama Q&A sikhona. If nifuna assist, we can assist you guys in terms of shooting content and developing our questions. Yeah. So what is the next one? A truth or dare?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we don't want to discuss our plans way to learn on the content. We're just gonna keep giving you guys the content because I feel like to expect what you don't know, you know.
Yeah, and guys like sisazoyinikeza content.
Yeah.
So please be patient with us.
Yeah. This is Lady N, DJ Apex, and we are both lovers. Stay tuned. Bye. Oh, and don't forget, guys, you should subscribe on our channels.
Yeah.
Please subscribe on Lady N and also subscribe on Apex Wave Studios. We got you guys. Bye.